Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. From the sequence of natural numbers, we select a continuous segment. It is known that the summation of this sequence is 119, and difference between its maximum and minimum is a prime number. Can you find the sequence? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. Most of the students from the 6th grade haven't yet learned about arithmetic sequence systematically, however it's not difficult to understand some concepts of it. Regarding this question, we need to analyze it in two situations separately. The first is that the amount of the natural numbers in this sequence is odd. We just simply name this amount as n. The number in the exactly middle of this sequence is m. So, the number on its left is m-1. And at the same time there must be a number on its right as m+1. The summation of these two is twice m, and the difference between them is 2, which is an even number. Then there is an m-2 on its further left, and the further right one must be m+2. Their summation is still twice m, and their difference is 4, which is 2 times 2, again an even number. And so on, until the minimum at the leftmost and the maximum at the rightmost. So we know that adding up the numbers in this sequence gives n times m. The maximum minus the minimum must be a multiple of 2. There is only one number that is both even and prime. And that is 2. So there must be in total exactly 3 numbers in this sequence. That is, 3 times m is equal to 119. Unfortunately, 119 is not divisible by 3. So, this case is an impossible one. The second case is that the amount of the natural numbers in this sequence is even. We still call this amount as n. In this case, there are 2 numbers in the middle. We set the smaller one to be m, so the larger one is m+1. Their summation is twice m+1, and the difference is 1, which is an odd number. On their left side the number is m-1, and on the right side is m+2. Their summation is still twice m+1, and the difference is 3, which is still an odd number. The further left is m-2, and the right is m+3. Their summation is still twice m+1, and the difference is 5, which is still an odd number. And so on, until the minimum and maximum ones. So we get that the summation of all numbers in this sequence is half n times twice m+1. The maximum minus the minimum is an odd number. There are many prime numbers that are odd, so we can put this point aside for a while, and study the point of summation being 119 first. Since the summation of all numbers is half n times twice m+1, the double summation is n times twice m+1. By performing prime factorization, we get 2 times 7 times 17. N is even, so there are 2 possibilities, either 2 times 7 or 2 times 17. Let's take a look at the first one, where n is equal to 2 times 7. Then twice m+1 equals 17. And m equals 8. The maximum value is the 7th number to the right of m, which is 15. The minimum value is the 7th number to the left of m+1, which is 2. The difference between m is 13. Which is indeed a prime number. Great. So the sequence is from 2 to 15. In the other case, n is equal to 2 times 17. Twice m+1 equals 7. And m equals 3. The maximum value is the 17th number to the right of m, which is 20. And the minimum value is the 17th number to the left of m+1, which is -13. -13 is no longer a natural number, so this case doesn't fulfill the requirement. There is only one answer at the end, which is 2 to 15. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.